Today we are going to be making crispy honey chicken. You are going to want to cut your chicken horizontally and cut into 1-inch cubes. Dab your chicken dry. Next, you're going to want to dredge the chicken. Pepper, salt, and cornstarch. Make sure you evenly coat the chicken. Cook your chicken 3 minutes on each side. Mince your garlic and chop your chives. Two cups of water. 2 cups of rice. Next, you will need to make your sauce. And for that, you will need minced garlic, soy sauce, honey, water, apple cider vinegar, cornstarch, red pepper flakes, and ginger. Honey. Soy sauce. Water, apple cider vinegar, minced garlic, cornstarch, red pepper flakes, and ginger. Make sure you bring it to a simmer for about 1 minute. Garnish with green onion and sesame seeds. Spicy and flavorful.